It's Off-Grid Amy 717. Got a bee video going on today. So those are the honey producing, what do you call them?
What I just put on?
What you just pulled off.
Well, this is actually a deep box. It should have had a medium on it for a honey super. They have it filled with honey, so I'll have to get a medium box back here, and then we'll pull these frames out and we'll take them and extract them. This colony is doing very well.
That's good to hear.
Full of bees. That's what we like to see. I'm just going to do a quick look-see. Get some mite control in it. Well, we're going to leave mite control out on account of having honey in it. But we put, I saw a couple beetles, so that Swiffer sheet beetles have a little hook on their leg, and they step on that Swiffer sheet and they'll get caught in it. And once the bees figure out they're getting caught in it, the beetles, they'll chase the beetles in there. Hopefully.
Yeah, I was just reading last night that if a bee's old and knows it's going to die, they don't go back to the hive.
Yeah, sometimes. Bees only live for 40, 45 days, so it doesn't take them long. All right, I have to get another feeder.
All right.
So I gotta step away.
Well, folks, that's pretty impressive. I don't know what percentage of the bees I'm looking at. I'd imagine probably a very small amount. I am hidden very well, so they're not bothering me in any way, shape, or form, thank goodness. Millie did get stung. Well, you can just hear them. Well, that's pretty cool. Here comes a white hat man. I thought that was an alien coming.
Nah. These feeders are a little bit better. The bees don't tend to drown in them as much. If I need to feed, I like to have them on. So basically this hive is now done until I can get some other equipment up here, and then expect to see this. They're doing very well up here in the mountain.
Oh, that's good. Like I said, I try and give them their privacy, but I wasn't happy about that weed control.
Yeah, the weeds are going to get us sooner or later.
Yeah, maybe I'll put something down on the ground to try and keep them down next year or something. I don't know. Anything I've put down so far, they just it grows through anyway.
Yeah, I know that weed stop or whatever it is, that roll stuff.
Yeah.
That doesn't seem to keep that mile-an-hour down.
Yeah, I'm thinking about the only thing that would work is if you drop a sheet of plywood down on the ground and
I know some of my bigger yards, I have a roll of underlayment, I guess they call it.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
That seems to keep it down, but I didn't think we'd need it here with, you know, it's like stone and clay, but...
Well, I didn't expect it. I backfilled this all.
Uh-huh.
So this is all pretty much real estate that I had gained. So I didn't know how it would do or what it would do, but I sure can see now. So... Now, is that first plate you pulled out something different?
That's a feeder.
Oh.
That's just a feeder. In case I have to feed.
Yeah. Now, how's that one?
This one here is, you can see a little bit of brood here. This brown stuff is covered as brood, but they're backfilling it with nectar. We still have some drones in here. Most of them are worker bees. Usually drones about now are starting to be kicked out. But all in all, they look good. They're very gentle, calm.
Well, they're not bugging me in here hiding.
Amy's in there hiding. They're not bothering her.
Yeah, I am hiding. All right, well, thank you for showing me that today.
All in all, they look like they're doing well, so that's good.
All right. I should have this video up sometime tonight.
I saw, your last name Hilt?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have to, I get a thing, people you may know on Facebook.
Yeah.
I thought that was you, but I wasn't sure. So.
Wow. One more question before I go.
Okay.
You started each of those hives with approximately how many bees?
We started these with about 3 pounds of bees, which I think is about 7,500 bees.
What do you think's in each hive?
Probably 50,000.
Wow.
So, yeah, like I said, they're doing very well up here. And we got eggs, so she's laying.
Well, that's
all
good.
the farther I need to go. We need to get back here and get a box on these. Get a different box on that one. This time of year, we don't want them swarming. They don't have a tendency to, but again, we don't want them to.
All right. Well, you have a blessed day.
Well, I'm only going to be here for a few minutes.
Okay.
Then I got to go check Jared's.
All right. Thank you for letting me videotape you.